This is Auckland traffic coming from the west into the CBD. Yeah, so today we're Pete and I are heading to New Plymouth for a bit of a 2-day or 3-day, 2-night trip. We'll go to New Plymouth today, stay the night there, and then we'll head to, the next day we'll go to Whanganui and loop around and back up to Turangi, and then on Thursday we'll come home. Hey mate. Okay, so just coming into Hamilton. What's the time now? Just coming up for 10 to 11. I've got to get some fuel. Oh, lights flashing at me. Rightio, so $2.23 I think it is. It's pretty. That's the best price I've seen. So I guess the next town we're going to stop at Tekawiti, and Pete's going to refuel. I'll probably might as well get some fuel myself too. So it's not too far away. Alright, so we're just here in Tekawiti, and just getting some fuel here. So we're going up that hill near Plymouth, 161 k's. I was just talking to a guy at the petrol pump there. He said there's a big American car get together rally or something in New Plymouth, so should see some good old cars. I think there's some roadworks. Yep. Quite a good way, that road as well. On the left is pretty good as well, actually. Good view from up here. Beautiful. Fantastic. I'm going to ring that motel. Right, we just sorted out our accommodation, and we can't get into New Plymouth because there's a big American car convention, 800 cars. So we're going to go to Stratford tonight, stay in Stratford tonight. But we might just have a little sneak look into New Plymouth on the way. That was the destination after all. This is fantastic. Pick that up, but that's New Plymouth right on the end. We're going to go into our accommodation at Stratford. We'll be there about 4:20, and tomorrow morning we'll come over from Stratford. We'll go to New Plymouth, and we'll go anti-clockwise around the mountain. And come round and we'll go head off to Wanganui. So yeah, we won't go to New Plymouth today. I've just rang where I thought we could stay, and they said it's absolutely chock-a-block. There's no accommodation in New Plymouth, all these American cars. So we're lucky we got something in Stratford, which is about 30 minutes out of New Plymouth. So we've got a plan. So we just come into Stratford. No vacancy. We're lucky we got a place actually. Yeah, got a nice little place. Okay, so we've got our key. Number 8. Yeah, not too bad, but pretty small. Got a shower list. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. I could do. I'll get it. Alright. I'll come back.